In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add visual effects and virtual backgrounds to your Google Meet using a Chrome extension. If you've ever wanted to spice up your virtual meetings or simply provide a more professional setting without needing to manage your real-life backdrop, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to Google Meet. You can find it easily by visiting the Google Meet landing page. Once you're there, it's time to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. This can be done by locating the little grid icon, commonly referred to as the waffle icon. You'll find this icon at the top right corner of your Google page. Click on it and you'll see a menu with numerous Google apps. What we need from here is the link to the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, you will find a plethora of extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. But in this video, our focus is on virtual backgrounds. To find the right tool, simply type Change Background into the search bar. This will help you locate the specific extension we need. It's called Change Background for Google Meet. Now scan through the search results and click on the extension named Change Background for Google Meet. This extension is specifically designed to allow you to modify your video call background with stunning virtual effects. Before proceeding to install it, take a moment to glance through the extension details. Make sure this tool has the features you desire, and also check out some user reviews to ensure it meets your needs. To install the extension, you'll want to click on the Add to Chrome button. Once you do this, the extension will start downloading and install automatically in just a few seconds. After it is installed, you might have to grant certain permissions. This is important for the extension to interact with Google Meet properly. Follow the prompts and click Allow where necessary. With the extension now added to Chrome, you're ready to enhance your Google Meet calls. Go ahead and open Google Meet, either by starting a new meeting or joining an existing one. Once your video call starts, look for the new extension icon, usually found amongst other browser extensions you have installed. Clicking this icon will give you options to select and preview different backgrounds and effects until you find the one that suits your style or need for the meeting. Just like that, you're all set. Remember, the tools we use can significantly impact our productivity and how we express our personality in digital spaces. By following these steps, you've added an engaging layer to your Google Meet experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new virtual backgrounds. Feel free to experiment with different effects to see which works best for you. See you in the next video.